Okay, so we're picking back up here.
Quite the cameraman.
You got something to say?
I'm Clint Hartman, and today we're here in Culver City.
You see, we're in this this facility. There's our client, and they're building it out. It's going to be a tech center here. So they got all these. You can see all these workstations coming, and we are here. There's our setup. And because it's unoccupied, they're able to run the tubes along the floor like this. There goes one, here goes another one. So the tubes, and they're going to 5 different locations. And again, the idea being, as they do this air sparging, to strip the trichloroethylene out of the water, groundwater, to make sure that none of it's getting into essentially the rooms in this building. So that's what it's all about. Mm-hmm. And this will run for a day and a half to 2 days. And if everything is clean, non-detect, then we will come demob it.
See you next time, fans.
See you next time. Next place.